down. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash the sidewalk.
Good morning, guys. So I'm out here. I'm on my way to the gym. It's December 3rd. I still have to finish editing the vlog for yesterday to get it up today. So I'm gonna go to the gym for probably an hour. I'm trying to think of the fastest way. Go to the gym for probably an hour and then go home and edit because I have to work today and I work at 1, so I'm really trying to I work at 1 to 10, so I won't really have time to, like, you know, procrastinate on the editing. But for now I'm heading to the gym. Some really good lighting. Don't mind my face. I washed my face, but it ain't looking too cute with the mascara lines and everything, and the concealer, and not the concealer, the eyeliner. But I'm heading over there now. Yeah.
S playing on the track.
Have a good day. Okay guys, so I just finished with the gym. I'm gonna head home. I broke a nail before I got to the gym and I'm just kind of sad. But it's my big thumb and it's not as obvious. Like, it's obvious, but it's not as obvious. I feel like when it's one of these other fingers, it's much more, I don't know, noticeable. Yeah, I don't know. But I'm on my way home. This is my campus. The gym is right there. I'm just gonna walk home because it's really not far. I don't mind walking home when it's summer. That's salt right there to prevent people from slipping when snow falls on the ground. See? Yeah, it's supposed to be spread out more though. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't mind walking home when it's summer or when it's warmer, but I'm not gonna lie, this motivates me to walk faster so I can get home quicker because it's so cold. But this campus is really cute when there's snow. It's like a winter wonderland. And do you remember my protein smoothie from yesterday? Well, I'm finna drink that right now. I think it's 10 o'clock, but I'll see you guys when I'm at home. Okay, so boom, I'm editing a video right now. It should have been uploaded by this point. I'm 15 minutes into editing. Look at that pose, that posture. It's really funny. I'm gonna add in some more funny clips earlier so people stay to see the funnier ones at the end, but we did a great job. Bowling yesterday was super. Is that my battery life? Ooh, my battery life is low. I gotta go because I have to get ready for work now, but I'm still editing and I'm gonna edit on my lunch break and hopefully just like start uploading it while I'm at work. So bye. Okay. Ooh, excuse me. Hi guys, so I'm at work right now. Yeah, this is my work outfit. You know the vibes, you know the vibes. I'm actually eating lunch, so I'm trying to multitask. I'm editing, I'm uploading, but I don't know why it won't upload. I'm done editing, actually, but it should say sharing, and right now it's not saying sharing. I don't know what. See, some should pop up right now, but nothing's popping up. So I'll be right back.